How to get your calendar back on Windows 11 taskbar. Hey guys, if your calendar has also disappeared from your Windows 11 taskbar, you may follow up this method. So for that, what you can do is basically look out for notifications icon or this time icon right here. So you need to locate up this icon in the bottom right corner of your screen, open it up, and here you will be getting all of your notifications. So what you can do is you can look out for this calendar option here, click on it like this at this option, and it will show you the calendar that you're looking for on your Windows 11 taskbar. If not this option, what you can do is you can open up your task manager. For that, hit Windows plus X and look out for task manager here. Open it up. And once you open up task manager, from the given options, you need to scroll down until you head over and look out for Windows Explorer. So you need to find Windows Explorer from the given options. Head over and locate it up, which is right here. You may right click on it and look out for restart option. Just go ahead and restart it and it should restart automatically. Once it completes, you can find your taskbar and your device being refreshed and getting your calendar back on your Windows 11 taskbar. So these are the methods you can apply up in order to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.